So I'm ready for my psychiatry class. Now it's 11 o'clock and I have to reach there by 12. And for 2 hours there will be a psychiatry class, and afterwards I have a surgery class, but I don't know if I will be able to reach there on time. So let's go. I will show you the clinic of psychiatry. It's not that good, but I will show you. Let's go.
Below this level, we have bilateral signs, okay? Fast reading, guys. Today I will explain. Anything, this will disappear, this statistics, this abnormal, guys. Now, meningeal sign, guys. We mean, guys, three meningeal signs. The head, right or left, this is radicular sign, guys, not meningeal, okay? You need to flex forward. This is meningeal, positive sign, no coloring.